teacher provides scaffolding to a student. This concept is closely associated with, would this be letter A, Lev Vygotsky, letter B, Erik Erikson, letter C, Lawrence Kohlberg, or letter D, Howard Gardner? What is our choice? Okay, letter A, ang sabi ng taong bayan na nagkakaisa ang Team Facebook at YouTube, the teacher provides scaffolding to a student. This concept is closely associated with, ang tupak na choice po natin, you are right, it is letter A, Lev Vygotsky. Okay? Now remember, no, when you say scaffolding, bago tayo pumunta sa iba pa nating choices, kapag ka sinabi po nating scaffolding, no, this is any help that you have given a student. Kahit anong tulong na binigay natin sa ating estudyante, we term this or we use the term scaffolding. Na? So, it is closely associated with Lev Vygotsky, lalong-lalo na sa kanyang zone of proximal development. Pero, no, yung unang-una pong nag-introduce ng term na scaffolding ay hindi actually si Vygotsky, it was Jerome Bruner. Na? So, Jerome Bruner first used the term scaffolding. Pero mas naging mabango, no? Naging, kumbaga, household word yung scaffolding dahil po sa zone of proximal development ni Lev Vygotsky. Ano po ba yung zone of proximal development? Na? Yung zone of proximal development po natin, ito yung area or ito yung mga bagay-bagay, no, na kaya ng student kapag may scaffold. Kayang gawin ng student kapag may tulong, no? Tulong coming from a teacher or tulong coming from more advanced peer. Okay? So, mas magaling na nakaklase po pwede. Okay? So that's your scaffold. Now, what about the rest of your choices? Erik Erikson, of course, psychosocial development theory, no? So sabi ni Erik Erikson, meron tayong 8 stages na pinagdadaanan. Okay? Hindi ko na siya nilagay dito, no? 8 stages na pinagdadaanan all throughout our lifetime, no? So, yung 8 stages na to na pinagdadaanan natin, very important yung social influences natin. Very important yung mga tao sa paligid natin, no? At nakaka-influence sila ng malaki sa ating pong development, no, during the 8 different stages. Okay? Now, letter C, Lawrence Kohlberg naman for moral development theory. Diba? You remember your pre-conventional, conventional, post-conventional. No? Dito, mababalikan pa rin naman natin yan in the following days. No? Lalong-lalo na by next week po, 5 araw tayo. Sunod-sunod, Monday until Friday na Prof. Ed. Okay? So, moral development theory, no? That's by Lawrence Kohlberg. And of course, na-mention na po natin kanina si Lolo Howard Gardner, no? For multiple intelligences theory.